Hey guys, we got this Suitisbest sports band compatible with the Apple Watch. For the test and try, and this is a ultra band that can fit up to 49 mm, 45 mm, 44, 42, or other sizes. So this is a nylon sport loop strap with the S hook for iWatch series. You can see it's a flexible batch. So it have a rugged look. So I'm just taking out the strap, my original straps from my watch. So as you can see, these are the handcrafted thing on the top, and then sliding this is really nice and easy. So this is a 45 mm watch. So this pretty much uh, good compatible bands for it. So I'm just putting in with the stretching stuff. So you can see a good fit here, and this S band will hold the band and the watch nicely. So this is comfortable, not pinching my hairs, my hand hairs are not coming in between. And also this is a little flexible. So it's pretty nice band and very compatible and looks nice on the hand as well. So it's a strap in, strap out once you fix it or set up size, and then you can just use it pull up. A very nice band.